Question 3. The following quadratic equation has two real and different roots. So real and different means our b square minus 4ac will be more than 0. Find the range of values of r. Okay, so let's expand and simplify first. This will give us x squared plus x equals to rx minus 4. And x squared plus x, all this we bring over this side, minus rx plus 4 equals 0. Then whichever has x, we have to factorize. So this is 1x minus rx, so it will be 1 minus r whole thing times x plus 4. Why we need to factorize this? So that we can easily find our a, b and c. So from here, our a is 1, our b is this whole thing, 1 minus r, and our c will be 4. Then we put it back into the equation, b squared minus 4ac more than 0. b squared 4ac more than 0. So then we expand this. 1 square is 1, then negative 2r, negative r square is positive r square. 4 times 1 times 4 is 16. Then from here, we try to rearrange. So we get r square minus 2r. 1 minus 16 is negative 15, more than 0. So if you realize, we got a quadratic inequality here. So whenever you have a quadratic inequality, you must draw this smiley graph and shade it. Okay, so first we need to find the factors. A is 1, b is negative 2, c is negative 15. So factors will be negative 3 and 5. We put them in the bracket, r minus 5. Okay, this is actually just for working only, working purposes only. Okay, but now what we have to do is we have to look at this symbol. If it's more than 0 means it's up here. If it's less than 0 means it's down. So you can see this is more than 0. Our graph exists here and here. So these are our values of r. So we shade this area, and our r values will be lesser than negative 3, okay, this way, and r will be more than 5. This will be our range for r. That's it. This is the final answer lah. Okay, let's look at b. So b also same thing, we rearrange first. So x squared plus x, all this we bring over this side, minus 2rx plus r square equals to 0. And then we factor out the x, so this is 1x minus 2rx. So 1 minus 2r whole thing times x. And then this one has two real and different roots, therefore b squared minus 4ac more than 0. So our a is 1, our b is this, and our c is this. Then we just put it into the equation lah. So b square 4ac. Then we expand this. 1 square is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, times negative 2r is negative 4r. And negative 2r square will be positive 4r square, minus 4r square, more than 0. So 4r square minus 4r square cancels off. leaving us with 1 minus 4r more than 0. So from here, this one we bring that side lah. 1 more than 4r. 4 we bring here, 1 over 4 more than r. So from here, if we make r the subject, r will be smaller than 1 over 4. Okay, I just switched it. I just wrote it the other way. So r is smaller than 1 over 4. This will be our final answer. Done. That's it.